Today, we're taking a closer look at the unsung hero of mass transit, the modern heavy passenger bus. These vehicles have evolved far beyond simple people movers. They are now sophisticated, comfortable, and incredibly safe machines designed to connect cities and people. So, buckle up as we explore the essential features that define the passenger bus of today. The heart of the bus: power and efficiency, powertrain and performance. Powering a vehicle of this size requires a robust and efficient engine. Let's look at what makes them go. High-torque diesel engines. Most buses rely on powerful and efficient diesel engines designed to deliver high torque. This is crucial for accelerating smoothly from a stop and climbing hills even with a full load of passengers. Alternative fuel options. The industry is rapidly shifting towards sustainability. Many new buses now run on compressed natural gas, CNG, which is cleaner and quieter. The future is electric, with battery electric buses, or BEBs, becoming increasingly common, offering zero emissions and a nearly silent ride. Advanced automatic transmissions. Gone are the days of jerky manual shifts. Modern buses use smooth, multi-speed automatic transmissions. These are computer-controlled to ensure the engine is always in the optimal gear for fuel efficiency and a comfortable ride for everyone on board. Air suspension. For a smooth and comfortable journey, buses are equipped with an advanced air suspension system. It automatically adjusts to the vehicle's load and absorbs bumps and vibrations from the road, ensuring a limousine-like ride quality. Safety above all, protecting passengers and pedestrians. Advanced safety systems. The safety of passengers, drivers, and other road users is the #1 priority. Modern buses are packed with cutting-edge safety technology. Electronic stability control, or ESC. This is a critical system that helps prevent rollovers and loss of control, especially in sharp turns or emergency maneuvers. It automatically applies brakes to individual wheels to keep the bus stable. Collision mitigation and braking. Using radar and cameras, these systems scan the road ahead. They can warn the driver of a potential collision and, if necessary, automatically apply the brakes to prevent or reduce the severity of an impact. Advanced braking systems, ABS and air brakes. All modern buses use powerful air brakes for reliable stopping power. They're equipped with an anti-lock braking system, ABS, to prevent wheel lockup during hard braking, allowing the driver to maintain steering control. 360-degree camera systems. To eliminate blind spots, buses are often fitted with multiple cameras that provide the driver with a complete bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings. This is essential for navigating tight city streets and keeping pedestrians and cyclists safe. Fire suppression systems. All buses are equipped with automatic fire detection and suppression systems, particularly in the engine compartment, to ensure passenger safety in the unlikely event of a fire. The passenger experience, comfort and convenience. Interior features. The journey should be as enjoyable as the destination. The interior of a modern bus is designed for ultimate passenger comfort and convenience. Ergonomic seating. Seats are designed for long-distance comfort, with features like high backrests, ample legroom, and reclining functions. Many also include individual armrests and footrests. On-board connectivity. Staying connected is a must. Modern buses are equipped with Wi-Fi for all passengers and individual USB charging ports at every seat, so your devices stay powered up throughout the journey. Climate control and air purification. A powerful climate control system maintains a perfect temperature inside, no matter the weather outside. Advanced air filtration and purification systems also ensure the air quality is clean and healthy. Passenger information displays. Onboard screens provide real-time information about the journey, including the next stop, estimated arrival time, and other important announcements, keeping everyone informed. Accessibility features. Modern buses are designed to be accessible to everyone. Key features include a kneeling function that lowers the bus for easy boarding, a ramp for wheelchair access, and dedicated seating areas for passengers with mobility needs. Conclusion. So, the next time you step onto a passenger bus, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering and technology surrounding you. From the powerful, clean engines to the advanced safety systems and comfortable, connected interior, the modern bus is truly a marvel of transportation, designed to move us all forward, safely and comfortably.